Your body is designed to move, adapt, and thrive. But daily stress, long hours at the desk, workouts, even poor sleep can throw it out of balance. Chiropractic maintenance just isn't about relieving pain. It's about keeping your spine in alignment and your nervous system functioning at its best. When your body moves properly, it communicates better, recovers faster, and performs stronger. Just like regular exercise or dental checkups, consistent chiropractic care helps prevent small issues from becoming bigger problems. It's not just about feeling good today, it's about protecting your health for the long run. Stay aligned, stay active, and stay well, my friends.